Insert magazine. Loaded with 10 rounds. Then engage the target.
Ilang taon niya akong baligyan, Ray. Dapat na ako, alangan nyo nalapan. Mas lain ng ano.
Last 1 minute.
Fire na, fire na!
Still firing.
Rep. Alibay.
Alibay to speak up.
Yan.
Still.
Layo.
Release magazine. Safety then.
Isa pa.
Tindog.
Tama-tama na.
Fires up.
Isa. Ha? Effective.
Okay. Pick up your rifles. Then i-prepare ang katong. Range clear. Pick up your rifles. Then proceed na sa
45 degrees, 45 degrees, pasok down.
45 degrees ang pusil.